Assalamu alaikum Pakistan. Adab Barza. My name is Adam. I came to Pakistan before 2 days. And now, alhamdulillah, I'm living in Karachi, in an apartment for Sidiko in Sadar. So I came here to visit Pakistan and the Pakistani people. This is my first time to come to Pakistan. This almost 3 times I came to Pakistan. But what you have to know about Pakistan, when you are listening to the medias, Pakistan, the bad name, there's a lot of people that are talking about the bad name of Pakistan. But when you come to inside of Pakistan, it's not the same. People are very friendly, people are very honest, and people are very, really, they are behaving very goodly. So I am feeling free in Pakistan. Really, I don't have any problem in these countries. Only I have, because I am Muslims, so everyone taking me and brotherhood of Islam. So really, Pakistan is good. And I will go back to Guinea after 2 weeks because I come to see some friends and to visit some places in Pakistan. Even I am going to see some places in Lahore. Then I will go to Faisalabad also. That's why I am here in Pakistan.
So you are actually from?
I'm from Guinea, especially in West Africa. So this is the small countries, which is around 12 millions of populations. It is not big countries, but of course everything is, alhamdulillah, is good there also. So I need some Pakistanis come to me there. They are very happy to see my country, and I would like you also. You come to visit that country. Maybe it will be good for you also. Thanks too much.
Do you like our Karachiite foods?
Yeah, of course. In Karachi, some food I like, some food I don't like. Like I like this barbecue food and some type of what they said, biryani. They said some type of biryani I like it, but not spicy. There's a lot of spicy biryani. I don't like it, and I don't like these sweety things also. But of course, many other things is very good. And they said one day I call it, what is named? Haleem. That is very good old food. I like it also.
Have you ever visited culture heritage sites of Sindh?
Yes, of course. Once I visited one sister there. We take their food there. Or we call it what is called kebab G. I went to kebab G. Yes, I eat delicious food there from seaside, and the seafood are there also. Very nice place. Well, maybe I can visit, but then I forget the names because my friend taking me to a lot of places, but I don't know their names. But of course, Karachi is a very good place.
What transport you are taking for traveling?
Yeah, inside of Pakistan.
In Karachi.
In Karachi, we have our own car with us. So every time we take our own car to visit places. And
Where are you living in Karachi?
I'm living here near in Sidiko Center with residents of my friends. I'm living there.
So are you enjoying yourself?
Alhamdulillah, it's good. Everything is good for me. Alhamdulillah. Whatever I will say about the media, so you people should make every effort to make good reputation of Pakistan, because I am seeing that your effort is not enough to convey the message to other countries, peoples, that Pakistan is good countries. Because the international media that don't give good image of Pakistans. So you should do effort to overcome that shortcoming of Pakistani medias. Because when I tell someone to my country, I am come to Pakistan, he say, why you can go to Pakistan? You will be killed there, you will be there. So this is not the good image of the countries. I know the reality is not that, but the media, they make this in the mind of the peoples. So you should do your effort to overcome of that short-cut image of Pakistan that I can convey as message to Pakistani medias. For me, if people can, you recognize that Pakistan is unsafe. For me, it's not unsafe. For me, Pakistan is a very good country. It's not unsafe. Only medias are make it unsafe countries. Because I can go everywhere in Pakistan without scaring anything.
But you are free to go
anywhere without scaring anything. When police meet me, I show him my passport and my visa. So everything is down. So I don't have any problem for that.
So you are comfortable here?
Alhamdulillah, I am very comfortable.
Are you really interested to live here forever?
No, I cannot live here because I have my family there, I have friends, I have business, I have many things. But for sometimes I come to visit Pakistan, it's good, really.